Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to use standby mode on iOS 17 and later. So by default, standby mode should be turned on. So when you have your phone on charge and on the side, it should automatically go into standby mode. If it doesn't, you'll first want to head to the settings and scroll down until you find standby. You want to tab into that. Now here you just have one option available until you turn it on. So to turn it on, you want to tap this tab to green, and it'll tell you just a little bit about standby mode just underneath. Standby will turn on when your iPhone is placed on its side while charging to show information like widgets, photo frames or clocks. And underneath you'll see display, and this is night mode. And when you tap this on, it tells you a little bit about it below again. Standby displays with a red tint in low ambient lighting. What red light does is doesn't affect your eyes quite as much as when your iPhone is bright and in white mode. So this is well worth turning on. You can show notifications like this if you want, or you can turn them off. It's entirely up to you. And underneath again, show preview on tap only. You can turn that off or on. Standby can hide the preview of a notification until you tap it. So if you tap the screen, it'll then show you the notification. So that's how to use standby mode on iOS 17 and later. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.